take AI application. I'm going to show you how to use that AI application here like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very basic, guys, very basic. So over here you have the photo section. This is where you go to pretty much add your photo, and it gives you a bunch of avatars, pictures or AI pictures of different places, different portrait, different everything. So it gives you a bunch. You as a superhero, all type of things, guys. So you can also go ahead, make sure you add your photo of yourself. Make sure it's a clear photo, or else you won't be getting a good results. So once your photo is clear, you're good to go. Also, you have the AI magic avatar option over here, which you can use as well. Here you can also predict your future baby, newborn, toddler, teenager, or student, whatever the case is. Can just tap on, for example, this one here, continue with style, and also all you have to do is just pretty much upload 4 pics of each of you guys, so 4 pics. And it's not free, pretty much costs you 4 coins. I would say 4 coins, but 4 coins to generate this image. It's not free, guys. Nothing on this application is free, so do keep that in mind. Also at the top you can also adjust if you want dual, you want your partner, or if you just want yourself to be in the shot. So you have different ones here which you can also use as well. It's just the same thing as the photo option here, but you're uploading your photo and give you a bunch automatically. So these are just some other ones which you can use as well. You have the gym option. Here you have a hotel, a lot of them. So if you tap on any one of these, it will ask you to continue with one style. Once you select that, you pretty much have to upload 4 clean pics of your face, and you're pretty much good to go. But it do requires 4 avatar coins to use. If you don't have any subscription, it's not going to work. So in the settings here right now, you can pretty much go here to get your subscription. Here where it says upgrade to Lensa Pro, and here you can see your subscription prices. Currently it's for $4. You get 100 free generating avatar coins, which you can use, as you can see here. So this is pretty much a weekly subscription. I don't see any more subscription, but you can tap on this or icon down here, which you can see other subscription prices. You have the monthly subscription prices and the yearly subscription prices. So it depends upon what you want, guys. So that's pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use, very straightforward. And if I missed anything at all, you can comment below. And it's not just for females. You can tap on this here for males. And for the other option, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's it. So if I miss anything, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.